Looking for profitable large-cap stocks with strong fundamentals? Here's how to set up your Finviz screener. Market cap. Select large for companies valued over $10 billion. Current ratio. Set it to over 0.5, ensuring the company can manage short-term obligations. Operating margin. Positive. Greater than 0% for companies generating profit from operations. Institutional ownership. Over 40%, showing confidence from big investors. Relative volume. Over 0.25, indicating higher trading activity compared to the average. Quick ratio. Over 0.5, to filter for companies with good liquidity. Net profit margin. Greater than 0%, confirming profitability after all expenses. Performance year. Down by at least 20%, identifying stocks with potential recovery opportunities. Current volume. Over 5 million, ensuring liquidity for trades. Industry. Focus on stocks only. Analyst recommendation. Buy or better, highlighting stocks favored by analysts. Country. USA, narrowing it to domestic markets. Return on investment, ROI positive, greater than 0%, to find companies delivering solid returns. Gross margin. Over 20% for companies with healthy production efficiency. Optionable and shortable. Ensure the stock allows both trading strategies. Average volume. Over 2 million for stocks actively traded. This screener identifies undervalued yet fundamentally strong stocks with potential for a trend reversal and growth. Perfect for spotting opportunities in the market. Once you've entered all the parameters into the Finviz screener, the magic begins. Below the screener, you'll see a filtered list of stocks that match your criteria. At the top of the results, you'll notice several tabs that provide detailed insights about each stock. Overview. This tab gives you a quick snapshot, including the stock price, market cap, valuation, ownership, performance, technical, charts. Visualize price movements and patterns to help spot entry and exit points. With these tabs, you can easily identify stocks with great potential, analyze their details, and make informed decisions about your next move in the market. Use this information to refine your investment strategy and identify the best opportunities. Don't forget to save your screener settings for future use, and happy investing!